Hi everyone and welcome back! Yay! So you've all been working really hard, okay? So we're really proud of you and today we're going to take a little break, right? We're going to do something a little bit different, but a lot of fun, okay? And this is something you can do today on a computer or a tablet. It's a little bit difficult to do on a phone, but you can do it on a computer or on a tablet very easily, okay? So we're going to look at some games that we'll be making with a program called, do you know what this is? It's called Scratch. Scratch. Have you heard of Scratch before? Have you used Scratch? Do you know it? Right, I know some of you have. But for those of you who don't, I'm going to teach you a little bit of the basics, okay? So let's have a look at this really cool project. One of the projects we'll be making. So we're the eraser. Oh, and that triangle is trying to kill us. Oh, we can shoot the triangle. Yay, we won, right? Uh-oh. Oh no! Oh no! Ah! 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 Anyway, we're going to stop right there. So this is one of the really cool things that we'll be making in Scratch. Wow, so amazing, right? Today we're going to start on something a little bit easier. We'll be making, let's see, this one here. Oh. So we're going to learn how to make these fish move, these squid move too, and then you can also make some funny things. We can add a little crab. There's a little crab, he's moving. And, oh, I'm gonna add in this crazy guy over here. Ah! What is that weird fish, right? So crazy. Okay, so let's take a look. How are we gonna do all this? Let's take a look now. So over here, to my left, you can see the website. It's Scratch, SCRATCH .mit.edu, okay? And I'm gonna also give you a link down below, okay? You're gonna be able to use a link to go directly to the project that we're doing today, okay? So Scratch, you can sign in if you have an ID. You can join Scratch if you haven't, but you don't need to, okay? Those things are nice if you want to save or if you want to comment or if you want to like something, but you don't need to do that, okay? You can use Scratch without joining, okay? Or you can even download it. So let's click on create and we can see what it looks like. Ah, so cool. So here is Scratch, okay? Here we've got some codes in the toolbox. Here we've got a work area where we can put our code and we can make things happen, okay? We can run our game and see it here, okay? Got a little tutorial. I don't want to watch that now. Let's have a quick look. So here's our little cat, our Scratch cat. Can you see him? Oi. And we can make him, if I click on this code over here, see I have some code here. Oh, can you see? No. Oh, he's turning, right? So cool, he's turning. That's interesting. Or we can make him walk. Or we can do even crazier things. We can change his size and change his color. Oh, I don't know. And we can make it do it a lot. We can go like this and zoom. Oh my gosh, he just got so big and he disappeared, right? Did you see that? Zoom. Okay, so yeah, we can do lots of crazy different things in Scratch. Oh no, Teacher Froggy's in the way. Ah, boo. Okay, I'll try and keep Teacher Froggy out of the way. Let's come over here for now. Okay, so let's take a look at today's project though. So today's project, it's this link right here, okay? So we're going to start off and it's going to look a little bit like, oh no! That's not what it's supposed to look like. Boo. Oh, okay, 1 second please. Okay, so we fixed the problem and we made Teacher Froggy a little bit smaller, so now you can see things a little bit better, right? Okay, so let's take a look. So this is what you're going to see when you open up the link, okay? And we're going to click over here, see inside. Oh, so here's all our code. Huh, let me see if I can fix this a little bit. Okay, so now you should be able to see all of Scratch, okay? Yay! So over here we've got our toolbox, workspace, and then over here this is where we run our game, okay? So right now, if I click this one here, this is Start Game, okay? So we can hear some music. Maybe you can hear the music. I'll turn up the volume a little bit. Can you hear that now? But this fish isn't moving. This one here is moving. Yay. This guy's not moving. So we need to make these guys who aren't moving, we need to make them move, okay? Oh, so how are we going to go about that, okay? So one of the most common blocks that we normally use in Scratch is this one right here. So we click on Events. Can you see over here? Events. And we look for this, when start clicked. Wow. Now, whatever we add here, so I've already clicked on the fish. I'm on the fish now. Whatever is in here, this is what the fish will do when we click start, okay? So I can add in some code. Oh, there's something down here. Move 3 steps. Oh, what will happen? So if I click stop and start. Oh, did you see that? He moved a tiny little bit. If I write 30 steps here. Stop. Start. Oh, do you see that? He moved again. Yay! Oh, no, that's not what you want, right? I had to click so many times, and then he just went all the way over here and nothing happened. Oh, so what can we do? Okay, we're going to add in a forever block. Oh, forever. So over here, control, orange blocks, we can see forever. Oh, forever means it's going to do it forever. Oh, so 30 steps is a bit too crazy. He'll be too fast. Let's change this back to 3. Okay, now this move one, where did I get this move one? See over here, blue blocks, motion. These are all about moving, okay? So I can find the move 10 blocks, bring it over here and put it in if I want to. Or just use this one that's already there. Oh. So, now we've done that. We're going to add it in like this. And let's see what happens, will we? Huh. Oh, so nice. He's moving. Yeah. Oh. But there's a problem, right? What's the problem? When he gets to the end, he stops. That's not very nice. We want him to move forever, right? So what can we do? We're going to add something called if on edge bounce, okay? So this is the edge here, edge, and then we've got edge over here. Let me see if I can fix this so you can see a little bit better. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so over here you can see the edge, right? This is where he stopped. So we don't want him to stop there. We want him to bounce and go back. So it says if on edge, when he gets to the edge, bounce. Oh, that's so nice. Let's see what will happen now. Let's see what happens. Oh! Can you try that? Can you see if you can get that to work? So we're on the fish sprite, and we added in an event block when start clicked, and then he moves 3 steps forever, inside forever, and if on edge, bounce. Oh, so when start clicked forever, move 3 steps, if on edge, bounce. Oh, so cool, right? Now, what else do we want to do? Well, the mouth is a bit weird, right? The mouth is a bit strange. And the interesting thing about Scratch is that we can have lots of little animations. So if we click on costumes up here, see we've got sounds, costumes, code. In costumes, there are actually 4 pictures of the same fish. So cool, right? You can see, look at the mouth. The mouth is moving, right? Over here. Okay, so we can change between these different costumes, okay? And how can we do that? So blue is for moving and purple is for looks, okay? So this is all for changing the way our picture looks, okay? So I'm gonna find one that says next costume. And I'm gonna put it in here. Oh, look at that. And now his mouth is moving. It's a little quick, but it's still interesting, right? It's okay. So now we've got the mouth moving. We can go ahead and add our code to these squid, right? So, let's see. I'm going to click on this squid and then now we can see its code too, right? So this one is this one right here. So I can go ahead and do the same thing again. Events, when start clicked. I'm going to go to control to get forever. It's down here. Forever. And what else do we have? We have move. How fast do we want it to move? 10 is very fast. We can try that. It might be funny. And what was the thing that we needed after the move 10 steps? Can you remember? We need on edge bounce, right? If on edge bounce. Let's see what this looks like. Zoom! Wow, he's very, very fast, right? You can even change it to 100 steps! Oh my gosh! Wow! No, I don't like that. I think that's too fast. I'm going to change it back to 10. Oh, that's much better. Okay. So, now we have added in our code for the yellow fish and this guy over here. What about this guy over here? Squid 2. Okay, he is squid 2. So, see here, we changed his size already. Set size to 50. And they made him a little darker too, right? Set brightness effect to -20. Oh, so it's not so bright. So I'm going to add in another block. And I could put it here. Or I can make a new one. Let's just put it there. Forever. Can you remember? You've already done it 2 times now. Move. And we're going to change that 10 to... I want him to be slow. I'm going to change it to 2. 2 steps. And then if on edge, bounce. Now that's interesting, but I don't like that these two are right beside each other, right? So I can go ahead and grab one and move it down. Huh. There's something else I want to change. Looks, I'm going to make him go behind the other ones. So how do we do that? Go to back layer. I want him to be in the back. Zoom. Now he's behind all the plants. So cool, right? Behind the seaweed. I could also just click on this and then it'll be better. There you go. So nice, right? Wow. So how did I do that? I'll show you again. See over here, there's a block of code that says go to blah 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 layer. I can change it to front or back. If I click on front, then click on this block, boop. Now he's in front of the plants. Wow, he's in the front. If I change it to back, let's see, and then I click on it, boop, now he's behind the plants. Did you see that? He changed from being in front of the plants to behind the plants. Wow, so cool, right? We don't always need to use this, but it's really nice sometimes. Okay, so the next thing, we want to add in our crazy fish, right? Now, we already have this crazy fish. He looks like this, okay? If you don't like this picture, you can change it. You can change it. You can draw all these things by yourself. So let's see. What can we change? Maybe I don't want him to have blonde hair. I can change his hair to brown. Oh, let's see. Or purple or green. Anything. Let's give him green hair. Yeah, green hair. No, Too many green plants. We won't give him green hair. Let's give him black hair. Or dark blue hair. No, the seeds were blue. No, we'll give him a brownish hair. And then, yeah. Let's zoom in a little bit. I've got brown eyebrows. Oh, we can change the color of his face too. Anyway, we have this guy now, but he's not in our game, right? So how can we get him to appear in our game? Oh, what do you think? How can we do that? So, I'm going to go to code. There's some blocks of code here already. And if we click on, there's different ways to do it, but maybe we want to do it when we press a certain key, okay? So we can go when blah 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 clicked, we're going to show them. So space, that's okay, yeah, space is okay. And we're going to click hide. Hide. So sorry, show. So now when I click space, yay! So the weird fish has appeared, okay? And now I want him to move too, right? So the same thing as before. Events, when start clicked, forever. And move. Maybe we'll make him move 4 steps. If on edge, bounce. Oh. Sometimes in Scratch we get something weird happen. Sometimes they will go upside down when they get to the edge. If that happens, you can try to use this one here. Set rotation style to left, right. Okay, if you're getting some weird problems, you can try this. Otherwise, this one makes it move like this. Don't rotate. This one makes it move upside down. Wah! So if he's going upside down like this, or maybe he's going like this all the time, you can use this block here, set rotation style, and change it to left, right. Okay, try that one if you have that problem. Sometimes you'll have that problem. Okay, so let's see, how much time do we have? Oh, that is about all the time we have for today, okay? But next time we're going to do another fun project. Yeah! Let us know in the comments below what you thought of this project, okay? If you want to, you can sign up to Scratch and join, but if you don't want to, that's fine too. If you want to save your project, you can click File, Save to your computer. Wow! You can even download an app for tablets, or maybe if you're able to get it for your phone, you'll be able to download the app for your phone too, right? So you can get an app if you want to for your tablet, or you can use the website, or you can even, the same thing is true for your computer too, right? If you want to use the app, you can download it, or if you want to use the website, that's fine too. Okay everyone, I hope you had fun today. Bye bye, see you next time. Bye.